Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Commerce with Namita. In today's session, I will tell you how you can export your data in Excel or PDF in Tally ERP9. So let's start. To export your data in Excel or PDF, first you need to have a company. I have already created one company. My company name is Om Private Limited. In that company, I have prepared balance sheet, profit and loss account, stock summary, ratio analysis. So now this report I want to convert into PDF or Excel. So how can I convert this reports? So there is a shortcut key in Tally ERP9. By using that shortcut key, you can export your data in Excel or PDF. I will show you by both the methods. I will show you how you can export the report in Excel, and second I will show you how you can export your report in PDF. So let's start. Okay, now you need to select report. Under report, select balance sheet, profit and loss account. You can select from this from report also, or you can go to display, press enter, select trial balance. Now this is my trial balance and I want to convert this trial balance into Excel. Okay, so but this trial balance you can see only small there. I want to expand this trial balance, so press alt plus F1 to expand the trial balance. Now you can see I have expanded the trial balance. Now I want to convert this trial balance into Excel. So press to convert or to export, press alt plus E. Okay, I will repeat the key again, press alt plus E. It is saying that exporting trial balance. Now remember one thing, do not directly press yes. In a small corner, in that small box you can see export question mark and yes or no. Do not press immediately yes. First press backspace. Now after pressing backspace, language, select language as all language, default all language, press enter. Now format, over here you can see you can convert or export the trial balance in Excel, HTML, JPG, PDF, XML also. But I want to convert this trial balance into Excel. So I will select Excel, press enter. Export location means what? In this location where my file is, in this location my file is going to be saved. So press enter, enter. Yes, just keep on pressing enter. Over here do not change anything, just press enter. Now export, yes. Now my file is converting into Excel. It is exporting to Excel. Okay, you can see my trial balance is opened or is converted or it is imported into Excel. This is the Excel format. In this way you can convert your report like balance sheet, profit and loss account, trial balance into Excel or PDF. So this I have showed how to convert into Excel. Okay, now you have seen that how you can convert your report into Excel. Now let us see how you can convert your report into a PDF. So you can go back to display or you can select balance sheet, profit and loss account, anything. I will select profit and loss account. Okay, now this is my profit and loss account and I want to convert this profit and loss account into PDF. First we have already saw how to convert your report into Excel. Okay, so same way the method is same to convert the file into PDF also. So the shortcut key is same, press alt E. Okay, so as I said earlier that do not press yes directly, first press backspace, select the language default. The steps are same as previous. Yes, now format. Now change the format in which you want to convert. I am going to convert into PDF. Press enter, select, enter, page size, A4, page orientation, portrait. Yes, keep the things as it is. Just keep on pressing enter. Now export, yes. Now this is the PDF format. Okay, my profit and loss account has been converted into PDF format. So in this way you can convert your report into Excel as well as in profit and in PDF also, or if you want to convert in JPG you can convert. So I hope you have understood how to convert your report or accounting voucher in Excel or PDF. So thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video.